In the vibrant Skyflower Valley, three avian companions embark on an adventure that tests their bonds of friendship, starting with Sunny the sparrow, generously offering her seeds to a famished robin blocking their path. As they unite to share seeds, a hidden trail reveals itself, leading them toward their next challenge. The winds howl and threaten their journey, yet teamwork prevails as Toby's strong beak, Bella's quick wings, and Sunny's sharp directions guide them safely through the tempest. They soon discover a lonely chick in distress, demonstrating that true friendship is about lending a helping hand. With empathy and care, the three friends assist the lost chick in finding its nest, showcasing the beauty of friendship and support. Their kindness is rewarded when the chick's parent appears, revealing the coveted golden feather as a token of gratitude, symbolizing that true harmony is achieved through love and compassion.